Hello folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and our company um, worked on this log cabin behind me maybe a couple months ago now, and we put all new chinking in it and stained it and everything turned out good until we got down to the final coat. The Permachink product that we used was Ultra 2, and we put on the two base coats before we did our chinking. Um, and then we did the chinking, and we came back and we put a clear coat over it. The only trouble is the clear coat turned out milky. Um, this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after with the clear coats on. They haven't gotten back to me yet to explain how this occurred, and you know, good thing that the thing I'm thankful for is that it was a gray colored stain to begin with, because that looks more appropriate, shall we say, on a 100-year-old log cabin than one of the, I don't know, the newer ones that look like new wood, like an oak or a cedar or something like that. And anyhow, this is a lot lighter than what it's supposed to be. This, like I said, this is with the clear coat that dried clear. We actually ran out of this material and didn't get it put on everything. So this is what the cabin is supposed to look like. Anyhow, I'm going to send this into the company, and they can see firsthand what we're dealing with here. The chinking looks really, really good. I see one spot here where we got a little failure because it looks like it got applied really, really thin. So that's not a big problem. Here's another spot where we've got adhesion failure, and it's thick enough here, but the cause for this one probably is because it just didn't get cleaned good enough. The entire cabin was blasted with baking soda to clean it up, because there was a local fellow who had this service, and he donated it to the historical society that was doing the project. And when you're blasting stuff like that, you get a really good clean surface over here, but it's hard. You have to get down here and do the bottom of these, and so he probably didn't hit this part as good as he did the top sides. But other than that, turned out really, really great. We patched a log here. This we actually had to cut out an area, and you can see a little crack here where it's opened up. We'll have to put caulking on that, but there's a piece of wood that was put in here, which we call a Dutchman. Nothing against you Dutch people or anything, but that's what we do in order to fix a decayed spot. No sense cutting out the whole log. I mean, that would be like, amputating your arm because your finger's infected, right? Here's a spot that we did using another Dutchman, and then there's one more spot down here. It's half covered up by the chinking, but it runs right along this area here, and it's a piece of oak that was put in there. So anyhow, there's another spot where it looks like we've got a little chinking failure, but those are pretty easy to fix, let's say. Heck of a lot easier to fix than this stupid clear coat that it's not clear. So we'll let you know how that turns out.